Hello, first graders. Guess you had a nice weekend. This is Mrs. Clara Aswell, and I'm happy to be here again with you. Welcome to Basic 1 Numeracy class. Our topic for today is grouping and sharing, introducing division. Division means sharing. Sharing is giving a portion of something to someone. For example, you have 2 sweets and you gave one to your friend. That is an act of sharing. Grouping is dividing things into equal groups. You can divide things or persons into equal groups or sets. Now, grouping can be in different numbers. Can be in 2, can be in 4, can be in 3, 5, 10, 15, depending on what you want to share. Now here we have 4 groups of 2 sweets and 5 groups of 4 apples. Here we also have 3 groups of 5 sweets. That is to say, 15 sweets shared between 3 persons or 3 groups, and each person or each group gets 5 sweets. Now, the total numbers of apples here is 15. 15 is the total number of apples. When we group 15 into 3 groups, each group will get 5 apples. So in essence, to say 15 divided by 3 gives you 5. Now, when we are dividing by sharing, for example, 8 lollies shared between 2 people. How many lollies does each person have? When we are dividing by sharing, we get our answer by counting the number of items each person gets. Now, we have 2 persons here. 8 lollies has been shared between 2 persons. Now, we want to see what each person gets, and that will be our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first person gets 4 lollies, while the second person gets 1, 2, 3, 4. The second person gets 4 lollies, and that is our answer. Then when we are dividing by grouping, for example, John has 8 lollies. He puts 2 lollies into each bag. How many bags of lollies will he have? When we are dividing by grouping, the difference is how we get our answer is counting the number of groups. So let's count the number of groups here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll discover that while we are sharing, we shared 8 between 2 people, and we get 4 for each person, and that is our answer. While in grouping, when we share same 8 lollies between 2 people, into groups of 2, and when we count the number of groups, we get 4 groups. So we find out at the end of the day, when you are sharing and grouping, you arrive at the same answer. 4 groups. When you are grouping, the difference is counting the groups, the number of groups. Then when you are sharing, you count the number of items each person gets, and that will be your answer. Here again, we have 12 is divided into 3 groups, and our answer is 4. In each group, we get 4. 3 groups with 4 in each, and altogether gives us 12. Now let's try this exercise. 10 stockings shared in groups of 2. How many groups altogether? Bulk of the work has already been done for us. What we need to do is count the number of groups to get our answer. So let's count the number of groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 groups of 2 stockings. Well done. Don't forget to do my assignments and upload on the portal. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something. Goodbye.